are very angry right now. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Now hopefully the queen is now in the box. Otherwise, they will just go right back. Can you hear that?
Okay, I got a tool.
Oh my goodness.
You know what?
Wait, I have got to look in there. Oh my goodness.
Did you get some film of that?
Yeah, I did. Oh my goodness. Hold on, give me a second.
Alright. Get out of here.
Swarm bees, swarm bees. Oh my gosh.
I'm going to try to figure out which colony I lost.
Let's go back inside and let them rest.
Alright.
Shouldn't you cover the lid?
No, they got to make their own choice. I'll come back and put a lid on them in half hour. We got an hour of daylight. I think they went smashing.